hold on. Before you even think about adding another pinch of salt to your meal, let me blow your mind with this. A juicy watermelon could be your secret weapon against high blood pressure. It's packed with nutrients that can help you ditch those blood pressure meds and say hello to a healthier, happier you. And guess what? Watermelon is just the tip of the iceberg. We're about to dive deep into 10 secret foods that can help you win the fight against high blood pressure. Secret food number 1, watermelon. This summer staple is bursting with L-citrulline, an amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide. That's like a relaxation party for your blood vessels. Secret food number 2, bananas. Did you know that bananas are loaded with potassium, a mineral that's essential for regulating blood pressure? Eat up for a healthier heart. High blood pressure's worst nightmare. This unassuming fruit packs a serious punch when it comes to keeping your arteries happy. Secret food number 3, beets. These ruby red wonders packed with nitrates, nature's secret weapon for relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. Prepare for a crimson tide of health benefits. Think of it like tiny plumbers, widening those blood vessels and keeping things flowing smoothly. Secret food number 4, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, the kind with at least 70% cacao, is rich in flavonoids, antioxidants that give your blood vessels a superhero-like boost. Secret food number 5, fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, mackerel. These omega-3 powerhouses are like little warriors fighting inflammation and keeping your blood pressure in check. Secret food number 6, oats. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal. The soluble fiber in oats acts like a sponge, soaking up cholesterol and keeping your arteries squeaky clean. Secret food number 7, garlic. This pungent bulb isn't just for warding off vampires. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that helps blood vessels relax and widen. Think of it as nature's own blood pressure chill pill. Secret food number 8, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens. These leafy wonders are packed with potassium and magnesium, a dynamic duo that helps regulate blood pressure. Secret food number 9, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These colorful treats are bursting with antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from damage. Secret food number 10, olive oil drizzle. This liquid gold on your salads and veggies. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol and keep your heart happy. So there you have it, 10 secret weapons in the fight against high blood pressure. From juicy watermelon to heart-healthy olive oil, these foods can help you ditch the meds and take control of your health. Imagine feeling more energized, sleeping better, and knowing you're taking control of your health, all thanks to a few simple swaps in your diet. What surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Want more life-changing health tips? Hit that subscribe button. Now, if you're serious about lowering your blood pressure, check out our other videos. See you in the next video.